Welcome to our guide on optimizing your Google business profile in 2025. A Google business profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is a free tool that helps businesses manage their online presence across Google Search and Maps. In 2025, your Google business profile is more crucial than ever. Mobile search now dominates how customers find local businesses, and Google's AI integration has transformed the user experience. Did you know that 46% of all Google searches are looking for local information? This makes your GBP essential for capturing potential customers. Optimizing your Google business profile offers several key benefits. First, it dramatically improves your visibility in local search results. Second, it secures prime placement on Google Maps, which is essential for mobile users. Additionally, your GBP enables direct customer interaction through messaging and Q&A features. It builds customer trust by providing accurate, verified information. And most importantly, it significantly increases conversion rates from online searches to actual store visits. The results speak for themselves. Businesses with complete Google profiles receive 7 times more clicks than incomplete ones. And 70% of consumers visit a store based on information they found online. In 2025, an optimized Google business profile is your most powerful local marketing tool, and it's completely free to use. Claiming and verifying your Google business profile is the essential first step for optimizing your local business presence online. Before you can optimize your profile, you need to establish ownership. Claiming your GBP gives you control over your business information, prevents unauthorized changes, and unlocks powerful marketing features that improve your local search visibility. Verification is Google's way of confirming you're the legitimate business owner. This critical step builds trust with Google and your customers while protecting your profile from being hijacked by unauthorized users. Google offers several verification methods. Most businesses verify by mail, receiving a postcard with a verification code. Depending on your business type, you may also have options for phone, email, or even video verification. Some established businesses may qualify for instant verification. To verify your profile, first sign into Google Business Profile and select your business. Then choose your preferred verification method and follow the specific instructions. Once you receive your verification code, enter it to complete the process. If you discover your business profile has already been claimed by someone else, you can request ownership through Google. You'll need to prove you're the legitimate business owner through their verification process. A verified profile offers numerous benefits: higher credibility with customers, better positioning in local search results, access to business insights, and the ability to respond to customer reviews and questions. Pro tip: keep your verification information stored safely. You may need it again if you make future changes to your business or if you need to re-verify your profile for any reason. Accurate and complete business information is the foundation of an optimized Google business profile. Why does this matter? Accurate information helps customers find your business, builds trust, improves your local search ranking, and reduces customer frustration. NAP consistency is critical for your online presence. NAP stands for name, address, and phone number. These details must be identical across all online platforms. Here's the essential information you must provide for your Google business profile. First, use your real-world business name as it appears on your storefront and legal documents. Include your complete physical address, where customers can find you, along with a direct and working phone number. Link to your website and select the appropriate business categories that accurately describe your business. Also provide accurate business hours. Here's an example of a complete Google business profile. Notice how all essential information is filled out accurately. Your business information appears across many platforms beyond Google. These citation sources include review sites, social media, directory listings, news articles, and blog posts. Always verify your information is correct before submission. Google has a verification process to ensure your business is legitimate and the information is accurate. Here are some tips. Double-check all information before submission. Use official business documents for verification. and set calendar reminders to update seasonal hours. Regularly check business directories to ensure your information is consistent. These directories feed data to Google and impact your local search ranking. For best results, audit your information across all platforms quarterly. Fix any inconsistencies immediately when found, and use a spreadsheet to track all your online listings for easier management. Selecting the right business categories is crucial for your Google business profile. It helps Google understand what your business does and show your profile to the right audience in search results. Your primary category is the most important ranking factor for category selection. It should be the most specific descriptor that accurately represents your main business focus. This directly affects which search queries will trigger your listing in search results. For example, instead of selecting the broad category restaurant, choose the more specific Italian restaurant, if that's your specialty. In addition to your primary category, you can select up to 9 secondary categories. These expand your reach to additional search queries and help potential customers find you. Choose secondary categories that complement your main business and represent additional services you offer. Avoid adding unrelated categories, as this can confuse Google's algorithm and potential customers. Here are 5 best practices for selecting the right categories for your Google business profile. First, research what categories your successful competitors are using. Second, consider the search terms your customers use to find businesses like yours. Third, be as specific as possible while remaining accurate about your services. Fourth, regularly review and update your categories as your business evolves. And fifth, test different category combinations and monitor your performance to optimize results. Choosing the right categories has a significant impact on your business visibility. Businesses with properly selected categories are up to 2.7 times more likely to be considered relevant for searches related to their services. This leads to increased visibility in local searches and better matches with customer intent. A common mistake to avoid: don't select categories just based on keywords you want to rank for if they don't actually describe your business accurately. This can hurt your visibility and credibility. After selecting the most appropriate categories for your Google business profile, your next step is to craft a compelling business description that highlights your unique value proposition. In this section, we'll explore how to craft a compelling business description for your Google business profile. Your business description is crucial as it summarizes what your business does and highlights what makes it unique. A well-crafted description significantly improves your visibility in search results. Let's explore the key guidelines for writing an effective business description. Keep your description concise, with a maximum of 750 characters. Focus on what sets your business apart from competitors and include your primary products or services. Avoid unnecessary details and use simple, clear language that anyone can understand. Now, let's explore how to effectively use keywords in your business description. Incorporate relevant keywords that your customers commonly use when searching. Include location-specific terms and industry terminology. Naturally mention your service offerings, but avoid keyword stuffing, which can harm your ranking. Pro tip: consider updating your descriptions seasonally to highlight relevant offerings and keep your content fresh. Next, let's understand the critical role of user intent in crafting your business description. User intent is crucial in 2025's SEO landscape. Focus on how your business solves customer problems and address common questions proactively. Align your description with what users are actually searching for, targeting both informational and transactional queries. Research shows that over 57% of users find content unusable when it doesn't match their search intent. Make sure your description addresses what your customers are looking for. Now, let's explore how to incorporate your unique selling proposition into your business description. Your business description should clearly highlight your unique selling proposition. Identify what makes your business special and emphasize the benefits you provide, not just features. Showcase any special expertise or credentials and highlight your business values and mission. Let's look at examples of effective business descriptions. Here's an effective example for a plumbing business. Notice how it includes their location, years of experience, specialties, unique attributes like 24/7 service, and credentials. All this while maintaining readability and incorporating relevant keywords. In contrast, here's a poor example that lacks specificity, unique selling points, keywords, and compelling reasons to choose this business. It fails to address user intent or highlight what makes the company special. Let's finish with some key optimization tips for your business description. For best results, test your description on mobile devices, read it out loud to check flow, and update it regularly. Include a clear call to action and ensure it aligns with your website content. Consider having someone unfamiliar with your business read it to check for clarity and impact. Now that you've learned how to craft a compelling business description, you're ready to move on to the next step of optimizing your Google business profile. Let's explore how to effectively engage with customers through reviews and Q&A. Reviews have become a critical factor in Google's local search ranking algorithm. They influence not only how potential customers perceive your business, but also how Google ranks your profile. Reviews rank almost as high as on-page details in local search ranking factors. A staggering 90% of consumers read reviews before making a purchase decision. Reviews build trust and significantly improve your local search visibility. Implementing effective review management practices is essential for optimizing your Google business profile. Let's look at some best practices along with a positive review example. Ask satisfied customers to leave reviews after positive interactions. Respond promptly to all reviews, both positive and negative. Always maintain professionalism in your responses, thank reviewers for their feedback, and address negative reviews constructively by offering solutions. Let's examine what makes an effective review response. This example shows how a business owner properly engages with a customer review. When responding to reviews, address the reviewer by name to personalize your message. Always thank them for their feedback, whether positive or negative. Reference specific points from their review to show you've read it carefully. Keep your responses concise and to the point. Reviews significantly impact how Google ranks your business in local search results. This chart shows various ranking factors, with reviews playing a major role. The quantity of reviews matters. Businesses with more reviews tend to rank higher. Review quality and overall rating directly affect visibility, with recent reviews carrying more weight than older ones. Your response rate to reviews also influences your ranking. The Q&A section of your Google business profile is often overlooked, but extremely valuable. It helps potential customers get answers to common questions and improves your profile's completeness. Monitor for new questions regularly and answer them accurately and thoroughly. Consider adding your own frequently asked questions proactively. Include relevant keywords naturally in your answers and keep all information updated as your business evolves. To effectively manage your reviews and Q&A section, implement these action tips while keeping customer satisfaction as your primary goal. In step 6 of optimizing your Google business profile, we'll explore Google Posts, a powerful tool for sharing updates, promotions, and events directly with your customers. Google Posts appear prominently in search results and maps, allowing you to highlight special offers, upcoming events, or important announcements. Here's an example of a restaurant promoting a special combo deal. Google offers several types of posts to engage your audience. These include offers for promotions and special deals, event posts with date and time details, updates for general news, and product posts to highlight specific offerings. Each post type should include an effective call to action button to drive user engagement. Choose action-oriented phrases like learn more, buy now, or get started that clearly communicate what happens when customers click. To maximize the impact of your Google Posts, follow these best practices. First, post regularly to keep your content fresh. Weekly posts signal to Google that your business is active and engaged. Include relevant keywords in your posts to improve search visibility. This helps your business appear in more relevant searches. Use high-quality images with appropriate dimensions. ideally 750 by 750 pixels. Keep your text concise, focusing on essential information within 150 to 300 characters. Always include a clear call to action button that directs customers to take the next step. Finally, monitor which posts perform best to refine your strategy over time. This example from Whole Foods shows an effective promotion with a clear offer for free 2-hour delivery, highlighted by a prominent call to action. In 2025, AI integration has become essential for Google business profiles. Google's AI can now automate answers to common questions in your Q&A section, saving you time while maintaining customer engagement. AI systems can also suggest services based on users' past searches, helping to personalize their experience with your business. You can leverage these features to automatically optimize content and determine the best times to publish your posts. By combining Google Posts with AI-powered insights from your analytics dashboard, you can refine your content strategy based on what's working best for your specific audience. Let's wrap up with some actionable tips for your Google Posts strategy. Create a content calendar to maintain consistency with your posts. You don't need to create entirely new content. Repurpose material from your website and social media channels. And don't forget to address seasonal trends and local events that matter to your audience. Experiment with different call to action buttons to discover which ones drive the most engagement, and leverage AI tools to determine the optimal timing and content for your posts. Remember that Google Posts work hand in hand with your Q&A section. As shown here, well-managed posts and questions create a cohesive experience for potential customers searching for your business. Mobile optimization is no longer optional for your Google business profile. With over 60% of smartphone users conducting at least a quarter of their internet searches on mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly presence is crucial. Optimizing for mobile means ensuring responsive design across devices, fast loading times, intuitive navigation, and readable text without zooming. Make your tap targets large enough to be easily clicked on touchscreens. Use this checklist to ensure your business profile and linked website are fully optimized for mobile users. Testing your site on multiple devices is essential for a seamless user experience. Artificial intelligence is transforming how businesses manage their online presence. In 2025, Google Business Profiles leverage AI to enhance customer interactions and streamline profile management. AI-powered features now automate responses to common customer questions, provide intelligent insights about customer behavior, and even suggest optimal content for your posts based on engagement analytics. When implementing AI features, start with one capability and expand gradually. Always review AI-generated content for accuracy and monitor performance regularly. Stay updated on Google's evolving AI capabilities to maintain a competitive edge. In our final step, we'll explore how to monitor your Google Business Profile's performance and stay ahead of industry changes. Google provides robust analytics tools that show how customers interact with your business profile. Regular monitoring of these insights allows you to make data-driven decisions. Focus on tracking these key metrics: profile views, customer actions like calls and website visits, search queries that lead to your profile, and the volume and sentiment of your reviews. This graph shows how customer interactions can fluctuate over time. Use your analytics to make strategic improvements. If search visibility is low, review your business categories. If website clicks are few, improve your call to action. Low engagement might signal a need for more compelling visual content, as shown in this well-optimized profile example. Google's algorithm is constantly evolving, affecting how your business appears in local search results. This timeline shows major algorithm updates over the years. By monitoring these changes and staying informed, you can quickly adapt your strategy to maintain or improve your visibility. To future-proof your Google Business Profile, embrace new technologies and features as they emerge. Businesses that integrate AI, focus on high-quality images, and experiment with new ad features will gain a competitive edge in 2025 and beyond. Establish a practical monitoring schedule to stay on top of your profile's performance. Check for new reviews weekly, review engagement metrics bi-weekly, analyze search queries monthly, and conduct a comprehensive performance review quarterly to ensure your business profile remains optimized. Remember these key takeaways. Regular monitoring is essential for ongoing optimization. Use analytics to guide strategic improvements to your profile. Stay informed about algorithm changes and embrace new technologies and features as they become available. This proactive approach will keep your business competitive in local search results.